7-4, and I did 7-3. You guys have a couple more in your 7-4, and I'll kind of go over those, I guess, as if I was doing them for 7-3. But it says, for 3, it says the closing price of Schnurr Sporting Goods, Inc. common stock is uniformly distributed between 20 and 30 per share. What's the probability that the stock price will be more than 27 or less than or equal to 24? Use the numbers. You know, they get into the less than or equal to and more than 27, and honestly, I don't know why. I guess if I look at their examples and whatnot in the back of the book, and they just use the numbers that are given so as hopefully not to cause too much confusion. But you guys would also have to find the mean amount, right? And the mean is simply equal to, okay, and I don't think I have that any place here, but I think we can do that one in our head. You guys can do it. But the mean is equal to A plus B divided by 2. So 20 plus 30 is equal to 50 divided by 2. So the mean for mine would be 25. Your guys is obviously a much bigger number. And then you guys also have to find the standard deviation. The standard deviation, using this formula again, standard deviation is equal to B minus A squared divided by 12 and the square root of that. So, you know, I've got my B minus A, right, is equal to my 30 minus my 20. My B minus A squared is simply this squared, so this is equal to this to the second power. Square root of that then, or I'm sorry, then I have to divide that by 12, forgive me. So it's equal to this divided by 12, I'll just put in there. And then I have to find the square root of that. And again, you can do that one of two ways. You can see I've done it entering that way, but you could also use the square root function. Either would be fine. Again, your guys' number is going to be substantially different. After that, then it says, you know, for mine it says what's the probability that it'll be more than 27, and so I have a height, right? I'm sorry. To find that particular area, then it's the height times the base. Okay, and your base for your big one is just your B minus your A, but in this case it's the given number, and so in this case then I would go for my height 30 minus 27, okay, and I take that times, I'm sorry, my height, which is, I've already figured, my height's 1 divided by my A minus B, which I have down here. Okay, so now all I have to do then to calculate my area for the 27 is to say that this is equal to my height, which I've already calculated, times parentheses 30 minus 27 in parentheses. Okay, and then it's the same for here. I got 24 minus 20, so I'm kind of going from the midpoint there, more so. But again, it's just equal to my height times my 24 minus my 20. Get my parentheses in there, and there you go.